Hello there.
Happy Sunday to you. The sun is out.
Super. Oh, wait. Where is? Wait. Okay.
Oh no.
No. It's okay. Happy Super Bowl Sunday.
Oh, goodness.
Okay.
How come you got some? We didn't get anything.
I didn't even know.
You had hours to prepare.
Okay, look at her, please.
Yay! Make fun of
We're not making fun of.
We're just amused. All right. So we have a guest chef with us, Dana. Dana is one of our most, what is the word I want? She's a fan. She's a supporter. That's it.
Our #1 supporter.
Yeah, she's one of the most faithful supporters that we have. So we appreciate that very much. And I heard she's kind of fun, so we're so glad she's here.
It
Be fun. It's pressure now.
Hi, Amy. How are you?
All right, so
what do we got cooking today?
we are going to start with the beverage. We found that works best for us.
It does.
It does, and we're going to do a keto vanilla shake.
Yep.
However, we'll probably spike it a little bit. We had some rum that we purchased about a month ago for another project. We're going to add that. So, Christal, if you'll put a little bit on the bottom of each of those glasses, except for one of these little ones, which is our taste tester, our non-alcoholic taste tester. It's that one. I'm going to have Dana open up you want more of that? Can of coconut milk. Yes, just turn it to the right. And she is using our Pampered Chef safety can opener. When you're done opening the can, there are no rough edges, very safe. And when you feel it give, then you're all the way. Yep, then you go to the left. It should lift right up. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Ta-da!
Amy says she's
First
ready
try.
to see our shakes, girls.
Okay. All right.
All right, so we got.
So we want to.
We want the bigger one.
Perfect. So we're gonna put the can of coconut milk in here. Yes, miss. And then we need the heavy whipping cream out of the door of the refrigerator. And don't we have our Pampered Chef measuring cup here? It's where, don't worry about that. All of that's in there. Yep.
Hi, Aunt Sandy. How are you?
Thanks for stopping by. Okay, we'll just have to use this. I can't find my Pampered Chef measurer. So one cup, Dana, let us point out. Okay.
What are we doing?
We are doing a cup of heavy whipping cream. We got it. It's no biggie.
There we go.
And then we need
1 cup.
1 cup.
1 cup.
I'm gonna put some of this stuff in there.
There you are.
Then we need a.
She put it in front of me.
I know, but I don't know how much. I'm coming back.
Can I dump this in the blender or what?
Yes, miss.
Thank you.
Then we have a 1/4 cup of this. But, don't fill it all the way. What that is a powdered sweetener. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Just half, or maybe a little bit over. Wow, nobody told me she would be such a disaster in the kitchen. I guess we needed to know more about Dana. All right, and then in here we need we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we have a teaspoon. Oh, wait, 2 teaspoons. I set it up already. Look,
Oh, I was messing with it.
oh my gosh. I believe that's it.
Nice. Yep, that's it. So we need just 1 of them.
Yeah.
Excuse you, ma'am.
Sorry. And then we need 2 cups of ice.
Ice. Oh, wait, this is great.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Here we go.
Does it fly out?
Yeah, it really does. Okay, so it takes 2 to get ice from the refrigerator. I love that very much. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the blender. You got it.
Okay, we're good.
So now we are going to, well, not all of it, but almost some of it.
Almost some of it.
Almost
some of it.
All right, that's cool. Now I'm going
I'm gonna bring
to,
you. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna go around
bring you
here.
blender.
I have this blender at a garage sale back in the 80s. Are you kidding me?
Bring you over the ninja.
All right, so you guys maybe smile at the camera or whatever while I run this. Some more going on there.
That's why we did it this way.
Okay. So here we go. This was keto. There was nothing that we can't have here. Can
No?
we put that in the fridge?
Yep.
And then we'll just,
Cheese we.
I know. We'll just do a little bit. That looks pretty.
Look at them.
Here, we
About me, you're
I know, right?
I know.
There we go. Here's one for Aunt Jan.
And then Dad.
And
Oh, that turns out so
that's
pretty.
for me. Oops.
Well,
Well,
who's getting that?
The washcloth.
The dog.
The washcloth.
All right, guys. These are
Oh,
Aunt Jan's and Dad's, the handle glasses.
Gotta keep things fair and square here, folks. All righty. Look at that.
Yes.
Oh, Lena.
We got a little
Look
grip
at
on
this.
yours.
Well, whoever's getting this one. Nah.
Nah.
Yeah, it's adventure drinking. Come on.
Yeah.
First
Really?
we snip it.
Oh, yes.
No, not yet.
Oh, cheers to you. Thanks for joining us, Dana.
There's all alcohols in the bottom.
It is in the bottom.
Dana,
Dana's sad. All the alcohol in the bottom.
All right, here we go. Get the next thing going.
So we're doing sausage balls.
We are. Here's the recipe.
Woo!
We'll
Yeah,
post
you
all the recipes at the end.
Yeah, it is. It's
All right.
a few behind.
So here's some of the tools we need.
And Sandy, you're more than welcome to, you know how to get here. All right, so what do we got here, Dana?
2 cups
Should we preheat the
almond
oven, Mom?
flour to 400.
In a bowl.
Yep. Here is almond flour.
I don't know how to work this.
We need almond flour, shredded cheddar, and Italian seasoning and baking powder.
And what happened to our ice?
So we need 2 cups of almond powder.
Hi, Trisha.
Did you hit that? Yeah.
Oh, fudge.
No, it's flour.
I know, but
We'll take care of that later. Oh my gosh.
I know it still seals, but it's just got a
Oh,
peek
so
over
the
it.
ceiling is like,
just for me.
yes, ma'am. All
Now we
right.
got
Orange bowl, stir together
What's
flour.
next, Dana?
after the flour. We're still
2
on the
cups.
flour.
Huh?
Stir together flour, cheddar, Italian seasoning, and baking powder.
2 cups of flour.
That's not supposed to.
It's supposed to go in here.
No, it's not.
Hang on.
Oh, my mistake, Mom.
It's okay. I should have had a second bowl ready for you.
You put that one in front of me.
I did.
I did.
I mean, you do have to.
Eventually,
But-
yeah, okay. So.
Okay, we have our, ooh,
Get some more.
our,
You want me to grab some more?
our
of that?
pampered chef, help me out here, shredder, the shredder. Okay. Don't make me have to yell at you girls. Here we go. We're going to shred up some cheese. Crystal's very good at that.
Oh, yeah,
Out of the way.
that's her job.
I do love shredding the cheese.
I just got one thing for my mixer. Oh my god, it's the best.
All right, where are we at now?
Okay, so what do we need? 2 cups cheese.
And after that,
Italian seasoning
Italian
and baking
seasoning,
powder.
which is 2 teaspoons and 2 teaspoons.
okay, so all we're gonna do is just shake, 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 about 5 shakes in there. I've just got some oregano. I'm not a big basil fan, so
How much cheese? 2 cups.
it's all about me. 2 cups of, okay, what else goes in this bowl? Does it say there?
2 cups of this, or
2
2
cups?
teaspoons of.
Wow.
Yeah. Woo! Maybe the alcohol wasn't in the bottom.
Okay.
All right,
Is that 2 cups, Mom?
well, there's a thing.
Well, I know, but.
Yeah, I guess you're really close.
Which is, I was gonna say, how much is the, book.
Oh, come on, no math, Dana, no math.
This is not the time for that.
Don't be silly.
Look at this.
Perfect. So we got that going
It
there?
doesn't say to add it to this bowl.
Yes, it does. In a large bowl, stir together almond flour, shredded cheese, Italian seasoning, baking
Baking powder. That's okay, we're in no rush, Dana.
Isn't this like an hour show?
Maybe today it is.
Is this me?
Yeah, because mine's back here.
Yeah. All right. So now what do? Do we mix it up?
I'm assuming,
Yeah.
yeah, it's sausage, cream cheese, and garlic in that bowl.
Minced
Okay.
garlic and cream cheese.
How much cream cheese?
8 ounce.
So the whole thing.
Cream cheese and what?
Minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Or garlic.
2 cloves.
2 cloves. I'll get that. I'll be right back.
Not going far.
Nope.
So who's sticking their hands in the meat?
Yeah, cooking ones.
Gosh, I'll do it.
I can do it if you would like.
I
It's
don't.
under my nails.
She's like, you got cooking gloves.
I do,
I
actually.
use them at home all the time.
I only use them when I'm messing with jalapenos or a hot pepper. You want to dump it in there? I don't know. I have a knife here. Be careful.
She got a knife.
My favorite
So.
Pampered Chef knife here.
Not over mix.
You're not overmix?
What are we not over mixing?
That's
What you're digging at there?
I don't know, I gotta get cream cheese in every bite.
so where's this one?
So I planted some garlic last fall. I'm excited to have fresh
Oh,
garlic
they go together.
Yeah, eventually.
in the spring, summer.
After I mix the cream cheese in.
You got a what?
You're doing a garden?
I got a little 4x4 plot out there that I've been doing for the last many years.
So what was your findings on the?
Oh, the elderberries. I wanted to
Elderberry.
plant an elderberry bush, but my garden is 4x4 and these elderberry bushes grow to like 8 foot tall and 8 foot around. So, but I did look and it's toxic to dogs and goats, which you have several of each. So that's out for you, but I will find somebody that'll let me plant an elderberry bush on their property that has
Well,
none of those
where do you,
critters.
well, can it be planted far away on the property? To where the dogs and the
Yeah,
goats
I
don't
was
go?
gonna say.
Yeah, but I don't even think I'd want to take the chance. Your chickens go up there and never even look to see.
They
if
don't
they're
go,
toxic.
they don't go way back by the willow tree. Oh, Dana, you hit
I
something.
didn't touch nothing.
I can't.
What do I gotta
What are we doing?
do?
I'm mincing the garlic here. I love this knife. That was a nice big clove of garlic.
And I love the smell of garlic.
Okay, here we go.
I can eat it in everything.
I know. Alrighty. Our little peanut gallery over there is giggling.
I forgot we're not alone.
No, you're not. All right, how we doing? What's next?
Kitchen on the tablet, please.
All right.
Ready, second.
I did get it.
Please,
Twice now.
That seems like when I put my tablet up here, we keep losing the live feed. Oh, this thing,
Scroll
did I
down.
still get that? All right,
Down.
next Dana, what's next? Once you get us hooked up now.
Okay, now hit that. Hit the video. There you
It says,
go. We gotta make balls.
yep, 1-inch balls, place
Hey,
onto a
Amanda.
baking sheet, bake 8 minutes.
Oh, we're ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay. So it said to prepare the baking sheet with aluminum foil, but I've been using this large bar pan from Pampered Chef for everything. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little avocado oil on here. Spread it around with this handy dandy scraper thing that they cut with the pan. And then after you're done using the pan, any of the leftover bits that are in the pan, you can scrape it off with this as well.
This is kind of like therapy.
It is.
Didn't it say don't overmix? I thought somebody said that.
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah, it's.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so
Saw you.
You might as well just keep your hands dirty. It says
My
one-
balls are big.
1-inch balls.
We're gonna make some barbecue sauce as well. Now, everything that we're making today is
too
keto. Here, watch this.
Oh, yeah, that's what it says to use.
Like fill that up and drop her in. Go ahead. No.
But yours
I don't want
is
other
actually
people's
perfect,
business here.
though. Look, yours is good.
Yeah.
About the same size.
Yeah,
I haven't
same size.
touched a thing.
We're so.
Dana put herself in the corner.
She's in time.
And we can put those really
That'd be
close, because
great.
I don't know, that looks like we doubled the recipe.
Well, there's many
Didn't we?
of us trying them.
Did we? No, we did not double.
You told me to.
It says 2 pounds on
It
it.
says 2 on it.
Oh, we should have.
That's all right. We'll split them in half, and we'll each have some,
No,
we'll
it
each
does say
have
1
some
pound.
Super Bowl treats
Should
tonight.
have doubled up on everything else.
Yeah, we should have. You didn't?
No, because it only says 1 pound.
Oh, well,
Sausage.
it is.
It is what it is.
Okay,
That's the way we roll in the kitchen.
That's true.
So, all right,
Woo.
here we go. Keep it going.
We might have more than one tray of this.
Yes, I'll get another tray. It'll be cool.
It'll be good.
Dana, if you would, down on the, underneath the stove there, like underneath the oven, whatever's, oops, I'm sorry, whatever's on top, no, it won't be
Like
hot.
mine.
We're
All right,
ready.
that's cool. I'm gonna grab a,
Did you cut
aluminum
those
foil.
tape strips yourself?
I did, this is electrical tape.
That's pretty good though. She's
Yeah, I know.
Was it
I
like,
know.
Was it like professional footballish? All right. And I have some aluminum foil. And we will put the dull side up. That's the non-stick part.
Oh my God, this thing's heavy.
It is. You can throw that in the oven, Dana. Please, thank you.
How long?
yeah, it's 8 minutes, I think.
Oh, probably more. Oh, and then you twist it and leave it in for longer.
Bake for 8 minutes, then twist the balls in place
Oh,
and
bake for
reduce
another
baking, and
7
then,
to 8.
yeah, so a total of 60.
Yep. So, what kind of Super Bowl treats are you having at your house? I'm really nosy and I'm always looking for some new ideas. So please let us know.
And Sandy, it's 8 minutes in the oven the first time, and then you kind of go in and twist the balls for lack of sticking purposes, is what it says, and then put it in for another 8 minutes. So we'll let you know at the end
If that worked
if
or
we
not.
had to alter any of the time or anything like that.
Right.
That's right.
You'll have to talk to Dad. I don't
All
have
right.
to put it on.
Uh-oh.
So is anybody making any treats today for Super Bowl?
What kind of appetizers are you guys,
Any kind of snacks or something? Anything?
No one wants to talk to you. I'll come in.
Good, you're fine.
All right,
It's behind you.
almost there. Smells so good. Yeah, the garlic. It's the garlic.
I'm loving the view outside, it's fun.
I got
No,
scared.
so
I got scared. I wasn't sure what that bright light was. It scared me for a few minutes till I figured out it was the sun.
Yeah.
It hasn't been out in so long.
Oh, I feel like
seems
forever.
like weeks and
I think
weeks.
tomorrow's supposed to be like 48.
I'm good with that.
Have to fix
I'm okay
it.
with that.
Is it? Yeah, I'm good. I love it. Let's get all this out of here.
Okay. There we go.
So you're getting these dishes ready for you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go.
All right.
It is, I think it's my dish week,
Okay, I'm good with that.
isn't it?
Okay with me? I think so.
because last time we did it was Amanda.
All right, that's right. Okay, and if Dana will pop those in the oven as well.
In the oven.
Oh, we're gonna have to turn them here. Okay, that works. All right, so we did that, and next. Oh, what do I do with mine? Oh, there it is. So we'll give a swab to here. Thank you.
You guys will have to excuse me for a moment.
There's no breaks.
All righty. Yep, no breaks. Keep things moving. Shift gears and keep going. All right, there we go. All right. Let's start bringing these goodies over.
Do you need this little thing?
We will need,
Here?
no, we're just gonna dump a bunch of stuff in a pan. That's all, that should be okay. But we will need the, can opener. John. This. Alrighty. We have a little bit of everything here. I have not been able to find a barbecue sauce that does not have sugar. So the best way to fight that when you are keto is to just make your own, which is what we're gonna do today. I also have a recipe for ketchup, which is usually the base that I use for the barbecue sauce, but we're just gonna start with the tomato sauce. Make sure that there's no sugar added. And if you'll open that for me, Dana, please.
See if I can do it again.
And here's my recipe. All right, we need our, oh here, I'm gonna give you those, please. We're just gonna dump everything in a little saucepan here. The tomato sauce. It calls for, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Tablespoon?
Yes, it calls for a 1/4 cup, but my apple cider vinegar is so strong
It's
right
going
now.
right in here, right?
Yes, ma'am. I know, right? Perfect. Yeah, we'll just toss it in the sink. We'll sort it out later.
Okay.
And then we need a 1/4 cup of this, I'm using Swerve today. It's a brown sweetener.
1/4 cup?
1/4 cup.
This goes into.
Yes, please. Alrighty. And we also need 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I think this is 1½ there. Please and thank you. Nope, we're doing good.
We're doing good.
We are awesome.
1/4. I really do like the smell of this though.
Like, what am I putting in?
1½ Do I have enough? I have more. We need it.
No, that's not right.
Okay. Beautiful.
There we go.
Alrighty. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Didn't I just say? Oh, I did. I had it right there. 2, please. Yeah. Yeah. That way, if you have a wet thing on one side, you just flip it over. All right. Look at this teamwork. We're going to be done in no time. All right. 1 tablespoon of Dijon-ish.
Hi, I'm Jan. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, Jan.
Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Watch this.
Oh, we should have had that on camera.
Oh.
She just put that brown sugar like that in there. That was like magic. All right. Then we need 2 teaspoons of paprika. Oh, I got it right here. Hello? 2 teaspoons.
John made a mess over here.
That's
You
all right.
made a mess?
Yeah.
Or you
No.
did?
You know what? I went to open it.
All right, a teaspoon of liquid smoke.
I have this stuff too.
And then a ½ teaspoon of pepper. You might want to spin that, use the dry side. All right. Just suggesting.
So
Oh,
it
this goes
doesn't
here.
stick.
All right, so what we'll do is just mix it up with the whisk. And then we put it on the stove, let it cook down a little bit, let the flavors meld together. I usually 20 to 30 minutes on real low, works really well. and that is the barbecue sauce. We're going to, when we have the sausage balls, it'll be a nice little extra to dip them in that. I'm also probably going to make some ranch. Some people like that.
Oh, you were making ranch?
I wasn't going to, but we could. If you'd like to make some now, we could.
Yeah, I like the honey mustard. So no, whatever you want. You want to make ranch?
I don't know, the honey mustard, I don't know how to make that keto. I've never thought of
We're
it.
gonna have to look into it.
We'll look into that.
Get a
There's a lot of
recipe.
things with honey that would be, you know, I don't know if there's any, like an extract or something we could find that's got a honey flavor to it. Smelling yummy. Smelling yummy.
Sauce or the sausage.
Open the oven door and sniff it.
And
It's time to twist them.
twist your sticky balls.
Oh, here. Yay! You could probably grab them with this and turn it. Oh, no, what's better is that Pampered Chef tong up there. It's a wide one. Yes. Show that to the camera, Dana. It's a Pampered Chef. Tongs, I use them a lot, and if you push that little thing, ta-da! Yep, look at that. Very nice, very nice. All righty.
I might have to bring it home. Sorry.
Put the double in
No problem.
it's heavy.
All right. Those were my handmade ones.
Well, we're only doing the top tray right now,
Yeah,
right?
because the other ones went in after.
But yeah, by the time you get this, no, we're just gonna twist them. Yeah,
Oh,
you're
just
not
so they're
gonna,
not sticking?
you don't have to flip them yet. Yeah, see, that bar pan is really good with that little tiny bit of oil on it and nothing really
Yeah.
sticks to it.
You don't really have to twist these.
I know.
All
All right.
Nice.
Look at that. That's it.
Exchanging.
Okay.
What do you have on your hands, Crystal? Those little silicone castanet looking things?
They come with the bar pan, don't they?
I don't remember.
Did they come with the bar pan?
I think we got them with the bar pan. I don't know that they actually come with.
I'm not sure. We'll have to look into that, because I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But they are our oven mitts.
All right. Can you hit the, well, what's the timer have to go on?
Another
there?
8 minutes.
So go ahead and hit the up button, the little up arrow there. Maybe 9 by the time we get this one in. How's that? I used a non-stick aluminum, so that probably is probably doing well.
Plus the grease from the sausage
Yeah.
probably helps out.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
All righty. Do we need to broil these at all?
It does say at the end.
At the end of the extra 2 minutes, I think, or something? I don't
Yeah,
remember.
A couple minutes at the end.
Okay.
Coming through.
Coming through. All right. Did we want to make some,
Yeah, you wanna make ranch? You can make ranch.
we can make ranch. It's just really, really quick. Doesn't take long at all. Really quick.
Really quick.
Right.
She just wants to do this because it's my dishes day.
We need the,
Oh, well, let's get more.
yes, I know, right? We need the sour cream. There's a Daisy sour cream in there, and
Where?
the heavy whipping cream in the door. Daisy would be right there. That's good, and there's another one somewhere.
Not Daisy.
Oh, no, the Daisy has,
Oh,
there's
yeah,
a
there's
small,
one.
that's already made. There's a small Daisy somewhere.
Daisy.
Daisy,
Daisy,
where are you? All right. No?
Something I'm not
Huh. No,
I love this cheese.
All right, I'm not.
All right,
seeing it, Mom.
here, I'll trade you spots then.
I'm not sure.
We blind.
Huh?
Possibly.
All right.
Moving.
Moving.
Right there.
We're gonna put it in the refrigerator.
Oh my gosh. I know I brought it.
Oh, stuck in with the yogurt.
It is, that's silly.
Yeah.
All right.
Do such a thing.
So we'll use a big spoon. And we will just dump in. This is another dump in a bunch of ingredients sort of recipe. We'll use up the rest of whatever sour cream I had in the fridge already, and if we open up the daisy there.
Are you making this?
Maybe I want to. Somebody set the tone here.
A good cook is not a good cook.
That is correct. We must be wonderful cooks. All right, we're just gonna put some of this in. And then we're going to add, all right, so this is how I make my, my ranch dressing. I put in just a little drizzle of heavy, apple cider vinegar. I add some heavy whipping cream. I'll leave that open because I'll probably need more. We have some granulated garlic, thank you. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. Oh, I like a lot of black pepper on mine.
Yeah.
And is the oregano still around? Yep, we'll throw some oregano in there.
Really?
And salt.
Pink Himalayan.
Pink, yep, it is. And this is the Pampered Chef grinder here. It has a nice little button here so you can set your favorite grind. And then we're just gonna mix this together. Usually put it in the fridge for a couple hours before you're gonna serve it, just to, again, let all the flavors come together. Ta-da! So if you want it to be thinner, like for a, can I have just a little, yeah, for like a salad, you could add a little bit more. Thicker, you just leave it right where it's at. The thinner you want it, the more you can, you want like restaurant ranch, you add a lot of heavy whipping cream to make it really thin.
Drips all along the plate. You're trying to get it to your mouth.
All
I
right,
wouldn't know
fingers.
what restaurants to go for that.
All right, so there we go. Simple, easy, voila. And we can dip our sausage balls in there later.
You got a lid for this?
I'll find one. All right. Well, we want to thank everybody for dropping by.
Yes, we do.
That was very nice of you. I'm going to post the recipes at the bottom of the, after we get everything done and take a couple pictures, we'll post the recipes with it. Some of them I just kind of made up and changed up since I started keto. So everything here was keto friendly. What else?
The barbecue sauce is good.
Barbecue sauce is really good. It's the closest to Sweet Baby Ray's that I can get, I
Yeah,
think.
Should be pretty good. then.
Yep.
it is good.
We're not gonna get any if we like Christmas.
And also, if you could share our video. Yep. We have the Facebook page, the Ready Set Kitchen, and we recently opened up a Ready Set Kitchen on YouTube. That's the one.
Yes.
Now we got to work on Instagram, but I think I think that's yours.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate it.
Bye.
Thanks, Dana, for being here today. Okay, what was I looking for?